I think it's important that our pilots understand that there has been a business decision made, and a business decision that may make perfect sense on a spreadsheet. What counts is what it looks like to the people, and how do we make this merger successful from a pilot perspective?
I don't think these things are ever expected. There are always things that you know could happen. We sit down every year and do a strategic plan, and every year we identify merger consolidation as part of that plan. We have the greatest possible resources we can working towards the outcome of this merger.
Business decisions like this evoke a wide range of emotions. What we make of it and what the airline looks like in the future is ours to define.
I have a deep connection to the land here in Hawaii, and I think that a lot of the Alaska pilots have a deep connection to the places that they live. I spend a lot of time in the ocean. It's never the same. Every time you go, it's different. Whether it's flying or out in the water, I love the challenge of finding how to adapt and deal with different situations. I'm excited about the Alaska-Hawaiian merger. I'd like to see in the joint collective bargaining agreement great pay, great protections, and quality of life.
Those are probably my two favorite sports, is downhill skiing and mountain biking, and so it's important to me to be close to that. It would be very difficult for me to live where it's flat. I wanted to work for Alaska Airlines since I was a little kid. I have utmost confidence in the Joint Negotiating Committee. I feel that they're my voice out there and looking out for our best interest. I was real happy with the last contract cycle. The unity that we had, it was pivotal, I think, in showing we meant business.
I'm very hopeful for the future. I think this is an opportunity for both of us to create something bigger, more global. We need to start thinking of ourselves as a bigger 4,700 pilot group, and we're only going to be as good as we are together. We have a 95-year history here at Hawaiian Airlines, and Alaska Airlines has an over 90-year history, and we're trying to prepare for the next 90 years. We want to build something bigger and better moving forward for the pilots of both carriers.
This is not as simple as one carrier plus another, and we look the same. This combined carrier is going to look different, compete in a different market, and we need to be thinking long-term. We can come together, we can be unified, we can speak with one voice, and we can decide what we want this future to look like. When we have that combined unity, that larger pilot group speaking with a unified voice, that's when we get things done.
This is your union. Get involved. Ask questions, whatever you need. Working together with our brothers and sisters Alaska, we will prevail in this. I think just like we have a strong culture here at Hawaiian and a sense of family in Ohana, I think they share the same thing at Alaska Airlines. The values that have driven both pilot groups are the values that will define our success through this merger moving forward.